Hello guys, today we are going to be making pizza! Real pizza!
What are we making?
Pizza.
What are we making?
Pizza!
Pizza. Real pizza, right?
With homemade dough.
Yes, with homemade
And it's
dough.
way more complicated.
And for the recipe of the dough, refer to our focaccia recipe.
What?
That's gonna be linked down below.
That would be linked down below. And this is our dough. Look at that.
Here's a toy one.
Ooh, okay. Let's put some flour in front of you.
Mine is the biggest.
So that the dough won't stick. And then you have to put flour on your.
I didn't get flour on mine.
This one is from Muirwoods. We got this from Muirwoods when we went there in San Francisco.
Sam?
Yes.
You.
And this one is older than you, Orchid. This is from Williams Sonoma. And yours, Baby Love.
Hopefully it doesn't stick to
Yours,
the
it was Uncle John when he was a baby. So now you can have that.
Oh, and it matches your outfit.
And it's
Yeah.
I get to have this huge run pin now.
Yep.
You bet nobody can touch my pizza.
So all
I'm gonna eat your pizza.
rolling pin has history.
Okay.
Okay?
They're from the Historic Society.
Historical. They're all historical.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll make
Is this one the
little
least
pizzas.
Pizza.
Okay.
Pizza.
Okay, this is
Pizza.
yours. Uncle could help him.
Ooh.
And this is yours, Zachary. And
How about
this
we roll it
is the
away?
babies. Okay.
You guys are so
Start
smart.
rolling.
Scoot a little bit.
Put some flour on top of your dough so it won't.
Okay, lift.
Okay.
Alright, go
Start
for it.
rolling. Go for it.
Start rolling.
Rolling.
Rolling with the homies.
Is it big or small?
You can make whatever size you want with your dough. As big as you can make with your dough.
Wow. Oh, look at the babies. Okay, then you have to turn,
What?
and then you do this. Okay.
OMG.
Mom, help Zachary. Zach making a shoe.
My shoe, no.
Look, Zach.
Oh,
See? Just like that.
You're making an amoeba.
amiibo.
Eliza, what are you making? A duck?
Yeah. I want a duck.
Look at that. Oh.
That's
Duck. Oh,
good.
look at
I want it bigger. Bigger.
Wow, kid, you're doing really well. Look at you.
Wow.
I think we
Ooh, there's a
Mine is
professional.
perfect. What?
Mine is perfect.
Mine
Wow.
stick to my rolling pin.
Mom, he needs a little more on his rolling pin. A little more
Me?
Eliza, or Zach.
Ah, you
You're
got
good,
flour
kid.
on my hand.
It's okay.
Okay.
It's a badge of honor. And now Mom's gonna make one with her hand.
Then I'm going to make one with
Ah.
my hand.
Eliza, yours is getting squished, Mama.
What?
Let's ask him. I'm done. He's created the biggest.
Okay, wait.
Kid.
We have put some olive oil on the pan.
Alright.
I'm gonna do this.
Okay.
OMG, look at my shape. Okay. How good is it? How big is it? I think mine needs a circle. Mine doesn't look like a circle. Pizza dough feels. Mine doesn't look like a circle tonight. Mine is never gonna look like a circle.
Alright, pick it up. And then place it in the pan. Be careful. There you go. Whoa, good job.
Mine is not even a circle.
Okay, now you put them.
Alright, Zach, I think yours is done. This is pretty big.
Mine is chunky. Chunky. Chunky.
Yeah.
Make it
Chunky.
Me too.
Ooh. Okay.
I'm trying to make it even.
Are you done?
Squish.
Are you done?
Yeah, Liza's
Trying to
done.
make it even.
Okay,
Mine is so big.
Let's put
Look at
yours
mine.
in here.
Wow, kid.
Wow. it's
Wow, Zach, or kid, or Eliza. Eliza, yours looks like a.
like a banner.
Look at
It looks like a upside down Christmas tree.
Wow.
No,
Upside
mine looks
down.
like a cake upside down.
Upside down.
I'm
Upside
trying
down
to flatten
cake.
it.
Zach, yours looks like a seashell.
Ha! Mine looks like a
Look
regular.
at that. Oh.
Yes.
Ay,
Kid
baby,
doesn't
look
have
at
to do
that. You can
Hopefully the
decorate
seaweed
this.
doesn't come in here.
You can decorate it like a tree. Yeah.
A Christmas tree.
I formed a circle. I formed it. I have a better one.
All right, Zach. Let's put. Oh, Grandma's gonna help you in a second to put yours on.
Look what happened to Zach.
Zachary Bing.
I
What
formed the
happened?
hole.
What happened?
I formed
I
the
gotta say
hole.
mine is pretty good.
Honestly, let's roll it up again.
Okay, wait, Zach. Okay.
By the power of the...
You're next.
By the power... He's trying
Okay.
Look at that.
Okay, this is
Now
good.
let's get that
Okay,
Right, so that looks like a
make
banner.
our pizza.
All
Where's
right.
the olive oil?
Olive oil right next to Kata.
I'm the owner of the olive oil.
All right.
Olive, 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 olive.
Oh my gosh.
All right. So first step is
First step,
Zach.
Tomato sauce.
You're not paying
tomato
attention.
sauce.
Tomato sauce.
Tomato.
Now you can decorate it with just
Nothing.
tomatoes and cheese.
Ugh.
Nice.
Different colors.
Cheese.
Okay.
You don't like cheese?
Wait, do you still have
You have to put cheese.
Can I have taco meat on mine?
Yeah.
You want tacos?
Taco meat?
Luckily, we have extra taco meat.
Where's this
Oh
from?
my gosh, that's good.
That's the lid for the olive oil. Don't touch it. Just leave it down there. Please.
Don't touch it. No.
Okay.
No.
That looks yummy.
We just make cheese.
Ugh.
Cheese and taco meat.
What is that?
That's taco meat.
But we have to put the cheese on it first.
Okay,
Yeah.
here now.
Zaki,
Okay.
you have to spare the taco
Let's
meat.
put some
for me
cheese.
too.
Which?
I'm gonna have some.
Cheese.
Let's get ready.
Is that homemade cheese?
No.
I can use it. It is. I can use it.
Oh no. It
Okay,
isn't.
ready?
It's mozzarella cheese.
I can put some cheese on mine. I don't need any house. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Sprinkle, dinkle. Sprinkle, dinkle. Who needs this next? Sprinkle, dinkle.
Yes, I need it.
Slid, slid, slid.
Okay, here. Mister, you don't need help.
Zach, are you already done?
No.
That's it? You want to put tomatoes on yours or no?
I don't like
tomatoes.
tomatoes. I don't like tomatoes.
What's tomatoes?
You want tomatoes?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want tomatoes.
Put it in between them so they can both use it.
Tomato.
Those are heirloom tomatoes.
Oh. Oh, like them.
You don't want tomatoes.
Ooh, Eliza, you're doing such a good job. Your Christmas tree is looking beautiful.
This is tomato, right? This is a
Oh,
tomato.
it's definitely gonna be a big slice of pizza.
And then this is a tomato.
I think that was.
Let's
that
just
was
finish
what
this
Andrew
because
was
there's
going
not
for.
a lot of
I know all the oranges are
Ooh, you got a meat lover's pizza.
meat lovers.
I know this is a tomato.
I
Is
mean,
it?
taco meat
They're
is
all
good.
tomatoes.
Can I bite it?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, I got a lot of meat and no tomatoes.
Eliza's going nuts.
I'm done.
All right, Eliza, decorate with your pizza tree.
I got the watermelon.
watermelon tomato.
Decorate your treats. Okay,
There's
let's
so many
put
different colors.
a star on the top.
And then the ornaments.
How
Where's
long
the
will it
ornaments?
take to cook the
Let's put the-
pizzas?
Let's put the watermelon over here.
On the top.
I just made mine.
It's gonna be like a giant tomato pizza.
I know.
It's
It's gonna be with melted tomatoes.
Well,
Or just really hot tomatoes.
Yeah.
really hot tomatoes.
All right, Mom, do yours.
Ooh, what is
Really
this?
hot.
T-O-M-A-T-T-T-T.
There you go.
Do you not know how to spell tomato?
Grandma's gonna make me a pizza.
T-O-M-A.
No, it's like this.
No, M-A.
It's T-O-M.
Ooh, good job, Eliza. You spelled tomato.
Tomato.
No, you mean O-R-A-T-O-M-A?
Okay. Hendrix, finish your pizza. Smell
He's finishing the
pizza.
tomatoes.
Smell pizza.
Spell
Smell
pizza.
pizza.
You mean
P-I-Z-Z-A.
and you mean N-U N-I-A-O U
Oh.
Is this camera filming?
Galing.
I'm not sure spelling.
No? No?
Zach.
Hello.
All the cameras are pointing at us. That
I
one.
know.
That one is
Pointing at us.
You're eating the tomatoes.
I bet I'm watching
He's
people
just
do it
eating
right
them.
now.
Okay.
What is next?
We're going
All right, now we're gonna put them in the oven.
to in the oven.
Turn the
All right, time to put the pizzas in the oven.
Who is that?
Ooh, yummy. There's Eliza's and Zach. No, Cade's. That one's Cade's over there on the right. Then we're gonna get Zach's pizza.
And
Oh no, Eliza. Oh wait, those are Eliza and Cade's.
Yeah.
That one's. That last one is Eliza's.
Yes.
Those two are Zach and Cade's. Mom, you're gonna put yours?
no.
Okay.
Like that.
Alright guys, I want to show you the pizzas before the kids came and ate them all up. But here is Eliza's, his little Christmas tree pizza. Here is Zach's pizza. And here is Cade's, his meat lover's pizza. Alright, your pizzas look delicious. You guys excited to try them? Okay, go for it. Take a bite.
It's still hot.
It's still hot. How about you, Zach? Is it delicious?
Zach is already eating.
How about you, Kate? Have you tried it yet?
Wait.
How is it? Wow.
good?
Uncle Johnny, which pizza do you think looks the most delicious?
What happened? You cannot hold it? This is hard.
This one?
Ooh, Zach's the winner.
The number one winner.
Mom, it's... Alright, what do you guys say to end the video?
Well, hopefully I had a great time watching us making these pizzas and trying them. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another video.
Alright, bye everyone.
Love you.
Bye. Guys, I just show you what Mom is making in the kitchen because it looks delicious. We spent a long morning working on her office, which I promise I'm going to show you guys eventually one of these days. But, what is this called, Mom? Like a clam.
Shrimp.
Hold on, there's going to be a recipe for you guys too, so
Yes,
get excited.
recipe.